Ellie, what are you going to do? What are you going to say? Come on, James. Ellie's waiting for you. Come on, James. Get up on the ottoman. Go jump with Ellie.
No.
He's done. You're all by yourself. Go. You dancing? Ready?
Go.
James doesn't want to go. You go by yourself.
Come on.